Let's tell you in the Karnataka case of the Muda case probe, big relief for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Let's tell you the Karnataka High Court has quashed the plea over the CBI probe, and the plea had sought CBI probe in the Muda case. Neha, coming to you as far as this case is concerned, we can understand right off the bat that it is relief, but what more can you tell us given the way this case is also panned out? Many, aspects of this case still being leveled as far as the charges as well, concerning the fact that Snehamai, the petitioner, also last week did level a new charge as well in this matter.
Well, yes, Nivedana, quite interesting here that even as you had the petitioner now, going on to, of course, seek a probe here by the Central Bureau of Investigation stating that the Lokayukta probe that was conducted was, in fact, lopsided. It was biased. It was, there was political influence over this particular investigation. All of this was claimed in court. The Karnataka High Court today, in fact, granting big relief here to the Chief Minister of the state, CM Siddaramaiah here, even as they've gone on to suggest that this case would now not be transferred, that the investigation carried out by the Lokayukta was neither lopsided nor were there any issues with this. Of course, now the larger implication of this politically would, of course, have to play out in the coming months. Remember, you had the opposition, you had the petitioner and others as well. In fact, over here going on to now suggest that, this particular case would have had a big impact. In fact, of course, Nivedana, we will continue to stay on the story as we try and get political reactions as well. This is, of course, a case that had rocked the state of Karnataka. If we're talking about the manner in which, this particular case here really, of course, has panned out, we'll, of course, keep our focus on this.
All right, Neha, I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with those massive developments, legally speaking, whether we're talking about ex-Chief Minister Yediyurappa or the current Chief Minister, that is Siddaramaiah, in this particular matter. You're getting us that reaction.
Well, the Lokayukta itself is a constitutionally independent body, and it does not have a interference from the ruling or the executive class. So I think the verdict is welcoming, and whereas BJP wanted it under CBI so that they could call the shots, and I think the verdict, and like earlier, the CM had suggested that he is open to investigation. Let it be a free and fair investigation of the matter, and we'll come out clean.
So one thing that was claimed was that the court had, in fact, earlier sought in the petition that was filed there by Snehamai Krishna, he had said the investigation was, politically influenced, that it was lopsided. The court has set that aside as well.
Is Mr. Krishna actually suggesting that a constitutionally mandated investigative agency is compromised? He needs to be more specific than this. I think whatever he is doing is highly politically motivated. I am not sure who's calling the shots for him, but whatever is today's verdict is welcoming.
And just one last question from you as well, sir. A POCSO case that was filed against the former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa was also heard in the Karnataka High Court. While the court has not quashed the case entirely, it's referred it back to the trial court, saying that there's a need to relook the charges and the charge sheet, and that needs to be reworked. How are you seeing this, sir?
See, firstly, there is no POCSO case in the history of India that has been pulled this far. And I think the judiciary, in my opinion, has given an extremely long rope to Mr. Yediyurappa over here, whereas the FIR stays. That means he's guilty. And the FIR is extremely clear. The FSL report is extremely clear. I think it could have been, the judiciary needs to reach out to the victims and give justice to them.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for getting us that exclusive reaction as far as Priyank Kharge is concerned on both those developments. While he, of course, is talking about that major relief coming through for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, he also gave his perspective on how the case against Yediyurappa is being looked at in that POCSO matter.